Hi there, and welcome back to another in our series of videos on improving your pharma development and manufacturing processes. This is part 2 of our very popular RiskSmart video series.
In part 1 of this video, we covered the benefits of becoming risk-smart, overstaying risk-averse, and showed you how to improve procedures, such as SOPs, to make them risk-smart and more effective. So in this video, we'd like to demonstrate how your organisation can transition to a risk-smart company and reap the benefits. If you missed our first video, you can access it in the comments section.
Well, the first important step is to immediately ban the phrase risk-free and replace it with risk-smart. That's the easy part dealt with. Once that is accepted into the company's culture, you need to stop defining risk in terms of severity of harm and probability of occurrence, phrases which imply that risk is something to be avoided, and accept that risk-based decision-making is purely about driving down the uncertainty by making risk-smart decisions.
Later in this series of videos, I'll be helping you understand more about risk-based decision-making. But for now, let's stick with understanding the NSF RiskSmart philosophy. A risk-smart company understands that when it was simply risk-averse, it led inevitably to a toxic blame culture. And I'm sure many of us have worked in this type of environment before. In our experience, though, the opposite is also true. A risk-smart or open-loop culture puts errors and mistakes to good use by using them to drive continuous improvement. So to be truly risk-smart, drive a culture of being able to fail and fail fast. A risk-smart organisation has a culture of accepting and being comfortable with a level of risk and uncertainty. Managers and leaders in these organisations will not be afraid to make tough decisions despite that uncertainty. They'll make risk-smart decisions and feel safe with the risk level. How? By using risk-based smart decision-making.
In our first video, we talked about improving the SOP process by simplifying it and making it risk-smart. The second procedure on our list of risks to fix: batch manufacturing records. Let's face it, how many signatures do you have in your batch manufacturing record? 3, 5, 7 or more? It sounds crazy, but risk-adverse companies are at a far greater risk than their risk-smart counterparts. Take BMRs as an example. These often include so many check signatures, back to that just-in-case mindset, that the really important checks get missed. Worse still, people don't really check anything properly because they assume someone else has already done it. The over-complexity dilutes personal accountability. What do risk-smart companies do? They focus only on the critical steps by using a risk-smart approach to risk assessment. Rather than have 8 sign-offs, just have 1, but make it clear that the one person signing off will be held accountable.
Remember, risk aversion is dangerous. Risk aversion creates over-complexity and forces people to take shortcuts to get the job done. Dilutes accountability and demotivates people fast. Increases errors, mistakes and wasted product. Costs you a fortune. In the final analysis, fortune favours the brave. And in our industry, the brave will be risk-smart.
So in summary, there's risk in everything we do, and trying to make your processes risk-free is futile and ultimately damaging to your organization. If you want larger profits, better GMP compliance, happier employees, and less risk, then get risk-smart.
To find out more about the NSF RiskSmart philosophy and how you can implement it, email us at pharmamail@nsf.org.
Thanks for watching, and for more free materials on RiskSmart, be sure to sign up for our NSF Pharma Communications and visit our NSF resource library. And to learn more about making risk-smart decisions, keep an eye out for our next video in this series, and learn how the NSF GURUT process can help you with your decision making. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your colleagues, and thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye!